And on the subject of exams, they were very explicit in physics. They said the examinations were intellectually barren. Now that's harsh. Intellectually barren. They didn't say they were easy. They didn't say they were hard. And in fact, they did, with one exception, very well on the examinations. You could argue they were 6 years older than the typical beginner, and they were being paid, they were very motivated, and they were very smart. You know, graduate student in philosophy, graduate student in the arts. But they found them intellectually barren in that they were focused exclusively on sort of technique, their observation, and not on, you know, more theory, that they didn't integrate various topics. You know, all of our topics are divided up into, I mean, our course is divided up into topics. The topics weren't ever integrated. They were being asked questions on a chapter and not on the whole. So they did find, and they had a critique of this, which I took seriously, to mean that a very hardworking student might not enjoy the exams for different reasons, not out of laziness, not out of lack of intellectual power. And that what was happening in those physics courses was something was being conveyed to these students that made them decide they didn't really want to be in physics. But it wasn't that it was hard. It was that it was just kind of didn't excite them very much.